Hi, Trisa from Anjurisa here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a reversible tote bag. This project is simple, practical, and perfect for beginners. This is a great project to build your confidence while creating something you can actually use. For beginners, I recommend starting with cotton because it's easy to sew. Once you've made a few tote bags, you can try sturdier fabrics like canvas. Canvas will give you a stronger tote that can carry more weight, but cotton is a great place to start. For this project, you only need two things: fabric and handles. That's it. Let's start by marking the fabric. First, mark 2.5 inches from each edge of your fabric. These marks will show us exactly where the handle should go. Now fold the fabric in half so the right sides are facing each other, and sew along both sides. Once that's done, grab a small square piece of paper, about 1 inch in size. Place it on the corner, starting from the stitching line, and mark around it. This is where we'll cut out the corners to create a box shape at the bottom of the bag. If you prefer a flat tote, you can skip this step. Otherwise, repeat the marking on the other corner. Then cut out the squares. Next, press the seams open. This helps reduce bulk. Then open up the corners and clip them in place. Sew across to form the box corners. Now turn the fabric right side out, and we're ready to attach the handles. I'm using webbing for the handles to keep it quick, but if you'd like to make your own, I've got a tutorial linked in the top right corner. Place the ends of the handles on the marks we made earlier. Clip them in place, and do the same on the other side, making sure they are not twisted. If you would like to explore more of my designs, I currently have sewing patterns for pouches and bows available in my Etsy. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once your handles are attached, we'll repeat the same steps with the second piece of fabric. This time, we don't need to mark the handles, since they're already in place on the first layer. So just fold the fabric in half, sew along the sides, cut out the corners, press the seams open, and sew across the corners. Now you will have the second bag shape, this one without handles. Next, take the first bag, the one with handles, and tuck it inside the second bag, making sure the right sides are facing each other. Align the side seams carefully and secure everything with fabric clips. Take your time here. If the seams are matched neatly, your tote will look really polished in the end. Once everything is clipped in place, we'll sew all around the top edge. Just don't forget to leave a small gap so we can turn the bag right side out later. After sewing, I like to give the seam a quick press before turning it right side out. It makes the edge look much neater. And since this is a reversible tote, I can't really say which one is the main fabric or the lining. Both sides can be the outside. Now turn everything right side out through the opening. Tuck one bag neatly inside the other and give the edges a nice press if needed. For the final step, top stitch all around the edge. This not only closes the opening we left earlier, but also gives the tote bag a professional finish. 2 wins in 1. And that's it. Your reversible tote bag is finished. You can flip it inside out and enjoy 2 different looks in one bag. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can support this channel by liking and subscribing so I can keep bringing you more sewing projects. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting!